Did you know that nearly 80% of people who lose a significant amount of weight will regain it within 5 years? That's right. Most diets may deliver short-term results, but keeping the weight off is a challenge that eludes the majority. The cycle of losing fat, regaining it, and starting over can be disheartening, but it doesn't have to be inevitable. If you've ever wondered why lasting fat loss feels so elusive, or how you can finally make your efforts stick, you're about to discover the answers. Today, we'll break down the science behind fat loss, debunk common myths, and give you practical, evidence-based strategies to help you lose fat and keep it off for good. Fat loss is a topic surrounded by confusion and misinformation. With new diets, detoxes, and weight loss products constantly hitting the market, it's easy to fall for quick fixes that promise dramatic results with minimal effort. But here's the truth. Fat loss is not just about willpower or following the latest trend. It's a complex process governed by biology, psychology, and the environment in which we live. To lose fat and maintain your results, you need more than motivation. You need to understand the science. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and tools to approach fat loss in a way that's both effective and sustainable. Let's start by clearing up some of the most common misconceptions about fat loss. One of the biggest myths is that certain foods or diets have magical fat-burning properties. From grapefruit cleanses to zero-carb regimes, fad diets often claim to unlock the secret to rapid weight loss. But research consistently shows that while these diets might lead to short-term drops on the scale, they rarely produce lasting results. Why? Because they're usually restrictive, hard to stick to, and don't address the underlying behaviors that lead to weight gain in the first place. Another common misconception is that exercise alone is enough to melt away fat. While physical activity is an important part of a healthy lifestyle, studies show that it's extremely difficult to out-exercise a poor diet. In fact, many people overestimate the number of calories burned during workouts and compensate by eating more, which can hinder fat loss. The reality is that diet and exercise work together, but dietary choices have a greater impact on body composition than exercise alone. Finally, there's the belief that losing fat is simply about eating less and moving more, and that anyone who regains weight must lack discipline or willpower. This perspective ignores the powerful biological and psychological factors at play. Hormones, metabolism, stress, sleep, and even your gut microbiome can influence how your body stores and burns fat. Understanding these factors is key to making lasting changes. Now, let's dive into the science. At its core, fat loss is about energy balance. Your body needs a certain number of calories each day to function. This is your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. When you consistently consume fewer calories than your body needs, you create a caloric deficit. To make up for this deficit, your body turns to stored energy, primarily in the form of fat. Over time, this leads to fat loss. But there's more to the story. Your metabolism, how efficiently your body converts food into energy, plays a crucial role. When you lose weight, your metabolism can slow down as your body tries to conserve energy, a phenomenon known as metabolic adaptation. This is one reason why weight loss plateaus are common. The good news is that while you can't control every aspect of your metabolism, you can take steps to support it. Preserving muscle mass through strength training, eating enough protein, and avoiding overly aggressive calorie cuts can help keep your metabolism robust. Exercise, while not the magic bullet for fat loss, is still essential for healthy weight management. Cardiovascular activities like walking, running, or cycling help you burn calories and improve heart health. Strength training, on the other hand, builds muscle, which is more metabolically active than fat. This means the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. Regular exercise also helps regulate hunger hormones, improves mood, and reduces the risk of weight regain. But what about the psychological side of fat loss? This is where many people struggle the most. Dieting often triggers feelings of deprivation, making it hard to stick with healthy habits in the long term. Additionally, stress, lack of sleep, and emotional eating can all sabotage your efforts. Building awareness around these triggers and developing coping strategies, like mindful eating stress management, and getting enough rest are just as important as counting calories or hitting the gym. So, what are the key strategies for effective fat loss and maintenance? First, focus on sustainable lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes. Crash diets might deliver rapid results, but they often lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and an inevitable rebound once you return to normal eating. Instead, aim to create small, manageable changes that you can stick with for life. This could mean swapping sugary drinks for water, adding more vegetables to your meals, or committing to a daily walk. Second, prioritize nutrient-dense whole foods. Fill your plate with lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are not only satisfying, but also provide the vitamins, minerals, and fiber your body needs to function optimally. Eating more protein, in particular, can help preserve muscle during weight loss and keep you feeling full. Third, don't underestimate the power of consistency. It's the small, repeated actions that lead to big results over time. You don't need to be perfect. Progress is more important than perfection. If you slip up, don't let it derail you. Get back on track with your next meal or workout. Fourth, find physical activities you enjoy. Exercise shouldn't feel like a punishment. Whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or lifting weights, moving your body in ways that you enjoy will make it easier to stay active in the long run. Fifth, pay attention to your environment. The food you keep at home, your social circle, and your daily routines all influence your choices. Set yourself up for success by stocking healthy foods, planning meals ahead, and surrounding yourself with supportive people. Sixth, address the mental and emotional aspects of fat loss. Practice mindful eating by slowing down and savoring your food. Learn to recognize the difference between physical hunger and emotional cravings. If you struggle with emotional eating, consider keeping a journal, seeking support, or working with a professional. Finally, remember that fat loss is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but every step you take brings you closer to better health and well-being. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and stay focused on the habits that support your goals. To sum up, losing fat and keeping it off isn't about finding the latest miracle diet or punishing yourself in the gym. It's about understanding the science of energy balance, making sustainable lifestyle changes, and being mindful of the psychological factors at play. By focusing on consistency, nutrient-dense foods, enjoyable physical activity, and a supportive environment, you can achieve lasting fat loss and a healthier, happier you. If you found these insights helpful and want more science-backed tips on health and wellness, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future updates. Remember, the journey to lasting fat loss is built on knowledge, patience, and self-compassion. You've got this.